Fed's thinking about doing a digital currency. Too little, too late? Let's check it out.
Looking carefully, very carefully, at the question of whether we should issue a digital dollar.
Bro, look quicker. I can't believe that it's like, oh, we're debating whether or not we want it. Dude, is there any doubt that this has to happen fast? If you think you're going to be able to roll something out in 5 years from now and the China's not going to have a 3-year head start on you, you're in trouble.
It's something that central banks around the world are looking at and doing so appropriately, because the technology now enables us to do that. And it also enables private sector actors to create their own kind of digital quasi-money type of instruments. So there are significant both technical and policy questions to do with how we would go about doing that. I would say that we're committed to solving the technology problems and to consulting very broadly with the public and very transparently with all interested constituencies as to whether we should do this.
Whether we should do this. Is there a choice? You have no choice. It has to be done. It's just a question of when and if it's going to be too late.
And we have a responsibility to get this right. We don't need to be the first. We need to get it right. And so but this is something we're investing time and labor in right across the Federal Reserve System. You may know that the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston has a partnership with MIT looking at one particular thing. We're doing research here at the board. It does hold out the prospect of the things that you mentioned, very positive. It could help with financial inclusion as well. At the same time, you want to avoid creating things that might be destabilizing or that might draw funds away from the banking system.
Of course, you don't want to damage the banking sector, because that's a sector that runs the United States government, so we could never damage that sector at all, because that would mean all our jobs. So can't damage that. Got it. Check.
A very high priority project for us.
High priority project. It better be high priority, because guess what? If China implements this thing and gets it going fast and gets the majority of the world to buy into this thing, guess who no longer is the reserve currency in the world? Come on now. Let's get it together.